Hello guys, I'm feeling myself this morning. Guys, who knows this? If you know this, say it before I say anything. Anyways, I'll just help you. I will help you. For those of you who doesn't know our traditional food, I will help you. It is called Akidi. So that's what we're going to be cooking this brunch. Guys, if you remember Akidi, tell me. This is the one from Nigeria. One of my mommies gifted me with this, but this is the one I discovered myself here in America. I discovered this myself, and since then I have been using it. So I'm going to be mixing the both of them today, because we went to see this my mommy last week Sunday, and she made a very special akidi with Ukpa for my husband. Ukpa is called oil bean. I mean, I remember back in the days when my mom used to make this for me. Yeah, she makes this for my dad actually, but you know, those good meals, organically prepared. Sometimes when you're traveling back home, you want to tell your mom, I want you to make meal for her. I want you to make me ofacha. I want you to make me Ukpa and akidi. You know, stuff like that. These meals are very, very good. Akidi is in the family of beans. This is a different species of it. And honestly, guys, it is very, very delicious. You know, beans is usually very delicious on its own, but this is more delicious than beans itself. But it's all in the family of beans. So I'm going to show you how we usually make this back home. If you're interested to know how we make this back home in Nigeria, this is one of our Nigerian food. Trust me, guys, this is usually very delicious. So today I want to make my husband this very Ukpa and akidi recipe. Stay tuned and enjoy. If you haven't subscribed to my platform yet, please do me a favor by click on that red button that says subscribe, and then by the side there's a bell that will keep you notified each time I upload a new video. Don't forget to give me a like, share to your friends and loved ones, and be nice, be kind. Be kind, okay? Be loving, be sweet. Don't worry, be happy, okay? So guys, I'm going to go ahead and wash this off and put it straight into the pots. After say like 10 minutes, I'm going to wash it out and then let it start cooking properly. Let's get right to my boiling water, guys. I'm going to add this like so. I forgot to tell you that this is usually used for special occasions as well, like traditional marriages, weddings. The Anambra people will tell much better about this. So you want to go ahead and just add in your salt. Let it cook for 10 minutes, after which you rinse it out. So guys, I'll just add some more oil. For this recipe you need oil, red oil. So I'll just allow the oil to toast for a little bit before I start adding up other stuffs. So here I'm going to just pour this out. Just go ahead and rinse it up, and that's it. So I'll pour it back. It's going to cook until it is very, very soft. Just the same way you cook your regular beans. Put some onion if you like, and then close it up. So guys, for this recipe all you need is just your fresh pepper, and then chop in your onion, because you're just going to pound this together to this is crayfish. This one is not the grounded one. It's not the ground crayfish. This one is just the raw one. You just want to make sure you pick all of these dirt out. See what I'm picking out of it. See all the dirt. And then you make sure you wash it nicely after picking out all the dirt. Okay, crayfish used to have some dirt because of the place they dry it. Sometimes some dirt, you know, just fly into it because of they usually put it in an open place. So you want to make sure you pick out all the stones, all the threads, and so on. I'm going to wash it and start pounding. I'll pound this together now. My mother taught me one thing. She said, no matter how delicious your meal is, once there is sand inside your food, no matter how tasty and delicious, it won't be delicious anymore because there is something that has made you to be discomfort. Your meals should be enjoyed without no discomfort. Yeah, without no stone. My husband is patiently waiting for this meal. Trust me, guys. Our mothers are wonderful. They know how to take care of our fathers. These days, a lot of us don't even care about taking care of our husbands. Some of us still do, though. You have a good husband, just try your best to take care of him. I know we are not perfect. We have our shortcomings here and there. But, you know, we have to do the best that we can. Sometimes I just want to give my husband some treats. You know, try to give your husband some good treats. No matter how terrible his heart is, I'm sure one day he will change. Yeah, so this is it. So I'll put it in my oil. So I'm going to add stockfish. This is how he's being prepared. You guys, tell me if your mom used to make this for your dad. This is a very, very serious delicacy. An incredible delicacy. Yeah, guys, this is shrimp. I just want to make it exactly the way Mama made it for my husband. Yeah, Mama added stockfish, shrimp. This is wonderful, guys. Wonderful delicacy. Wonderful delicacy from the Igbo land. I'll show you one more important ingredient. This is what we call ungo. This is representing as thickener for the palm oil. Some people use akao, which is potash, but I don't eat akao in this family because it's not healthy. So this, I'm going to put it in a little cup, drain it, make sure there's no sand in it before I add it to the pot. It's like powder. It's in powder form. All you want to do is just to, and then you let it settle, and then you sieve it and make sure there's no dirt, no sand inside of it. Okay, guys, so this is our oil bean, which is Ukpa. It will go in as the next ingredient. You stir everything to combine. Igbo has a lot of food, and healthy food for that matter. Oil bean is a very, very wonderful food. Very, very wonderful food. And it's very expensive. Very expensive. The dried fish, very organic, and I mean, it's amazing. All of this combination is wonderful, guys. Stay tuned. So this is the ungo, guys. They smell like home already. Woo! With the Ukpa. Oh my God. My kitchen smells so amazing right now. Guys, you can't understand. I'm trying to do that is my best in this recipe. This recipe is boom. If you know this, let me know in that comment section. If you're an Igbo woman and you know this, please let me know in that comment section. You know about Akidi, just let me know in the comment section. I think we need a little bit oil, but for me, I don't really like putting too much oil in all of these stuffs. I think this should be fine. Guys, this tastes so good. My husband will love it. He will love it. Wow. With all the stockfish, crayfish, fresh pepper, shrimp. I saw my mother putting the dried shrimp. You remember? Esther is here. Esther can remember when her grandmother used to make this. She's ready to swallow this thing now. Ready. This requires oil. I'm going to add a little bit more oil. Yeah. I'll cover it up so that the shrimp can nicely cook. And then I'll mix it in that mortar. Like, guys, this is so delicious. Like, woo! This is so good. This is not a food for you to start putting curry or thyme or paprika. I mean, this is so good. Onions, pepper, crayfish, stockfish, shrimp. Is what we usually put is the dried shrimp. You know, like the roasted shrimp, yeah. So this is representing the roasted shrimp. But let me tell you guys, this tastes so amazing. Like, I mean, our parents ate good food. No wonder they age gracefully. They still look so beautiful even in their old age. Guys, you will not understand. You need to try this recipe. Try this recipe. Look at what they do to beans. I remember those days when my mother would make beans for us. So fine. See, the akidi is ready. You have to cook until it is very tender. See? Very tender. So first, this goes into the mortar. You can decide to use all dried ingredients. You can just decide to go the same way I did. So you just want to put this in. That is how we usually do it. Woo! This is good. You pour your akidi, then you mix. You mix everything inside. Your ukpa, your shrimp, your crayfish. Guys, akidi is ready. This is your akidi. We can't wait anymore. Like, it's taking time for us. We just can't wait to start digging in. Come and eat. Our akidi is ready. Some people will put too much oil, but no, I don't want too much oil. Too much oil is not healthy. All of this sort of food takes oil though. But my mom does exactly this. She blanch the oil and make sure it is nicely toasted. And then she start putting all of these things together. And then she put it back here. Because this is where you're going to enjoy it. Guys, this is your akidi. Guys, this is azu agwora agwo. Have you heard about Azu Agwara? This is what we've been enjoying it with. Be enjoying it with all of this goodness. Yeah. Okay. See all the ubas. This is how we eat it back in the days. I'm going to eat it from the mortar, straight from the wok pot. Organic food. Like, I went back to my mother's way of making it. You guys see Esther? You guys see what Esther is going to be enjoying now? You guys see her mouth? I made what her grandma used to make for her in America.
It's really good.
What her grandma used to make for her. This is what Esther ate when growing. That's why she's a brilliant girl. That's why she's a smart girl. Wow. Be loving, be kind, be merciful. God loves the merciful heart. Try this and let me know in the comment section. Okay?